Hi, welcome to the live trading session. Today is 27th of December and you can see me live here. So let me put these numbers on the GAN calculator and mark you the levels for today. I'm a bit late today, so let me actually mark you the levels. The open has been 18,089. So let me put these levels 18,089. Okay. So above 89 is a buy, below 73, we can look at we testing 18,025. So I'll be interested in buying on dips, but maybe on the dip, as I said. So let me write these levels. Above 18,089 is the buy, 18,073 is the sell. Okay. So if it goes above this level, you can look at this. The stop loss is going to be this. Okay. Guys, as I please understand, these are not any recommendations. These are as per the GAN calculator. And I'm not making any kind of a recommendations here. Above this, we can test these levels. Okay. And below that, we can probably test this or this. Okay. So let's see how it works. As of now, it is on the upside only. Okay. And let us look at Bank Nifty. The level is 42,827. 42,827. 827. Okay. Above 42,827 is a buy. 42,827 is a buy. And below 42,813 is the sell. Okay. So you can see we are actually 856 is already done, which is the first target. Now the next level can be 42,916. Anyway, let me mark these levels and let's see how things are going to go ahead from here. So the level is so whoever is looking for options, look at only in the money options. In the money options, in the sense, if you are looking on the buy side, it has to be 42,500 call option. And if you are or anything below that, okay. So let me mark the level 42,827. 42,827. Okay, above this is the buy. Okay. Little bit oh, okay. Above this is the buy. 42,813. Below that is the sell. 813. Somewhere here. Okay. Little bit below that is the buy, and for the Nifty 18,089, 18,073, 18,000. Okay. So currently market is buy on dips. If at all it gets into any kind of correction, that can happen only in the second half. First half is more likely to be positive. So let's see. As of now, everything is looking quite positive. Okay. So let me mark you. The first level is 18,123. 18,123. That is the level. 1 second. Yeah. That is the level for the first target. So I think we are very close by to that. Bank Nifty has done the first target. So it was 854. So very small target, but it is done. The next target is going to be for Bank Nifty 42,916. Yeah, this is the level. Let's see. As of now, it is actually on the upside only. Both of them are actually on the upside. As long as we are on the upside, it is going to continue with whatever has happened on the yesterday's movement. Meanwhile, let us actually look at what is happening in the broader market. Okay, if you see the Bank Nifty, the Nifty first target is done. 123 was the target. Now, as long it continues, now the next target will come somewhere around 18,090 levels, I think. 18,191. Okay, the next level is 18,191 here. That is the next target. And let's see what is happening with the broader market. Yesterday, market structure, everything was very strong, and bulls were back in action. Today also, it looks very similar. 47 stocks are up, which means that bull are currently in control. Let's see what is happening with the other things. Wow, almost every other stock is up. Let us look at even the option chain also. Market structure is looking extremely on the strong side at this point of time, unlike what was happening earlier. Okay, option chain also is looking okay. Okay. See, as long we hold above 18,000, now 18,200 is going to be the major hurdle. As I can see here, till 18,200, I don't see any major hurdle here. Bank Nifty is very strong. 43,000 is the major hurdle here. Okay, let's see. So on the dip, we can probably look at the buy. If you are already in the buy, you need to trail your stop loss to your entry price. Because I am expecting some amount of retesting of the yesterday's close, and then probably we may again get into a buy zone, because Bank Nifty is hardly around 100 points where there is a big resistance at 43,000. 43,100 is going to act as a very strong resistance for it. It's not going to be easy. Okay, meanwhile, let us see if we have any good stocks. 1 second. Let's look at some of the stocks which we can look at. 1 second. So people who are new to this channel, go ahead, like this video, subscribe the channel, so that whenever I come live, you will be able to see me live here, and you will be able to get the best and best out of this. So first stock, which I can see here, which has some good movement, is Balrampur Chini. So let's look at Balrampur Chini. What is the open price? Okay, this has moved up quite a lot. So it's better that we see where, okay, we are at a very important resistance zone at a higher level. So let's look at this. 395 is the price. Okay, I have to use the stock calculator for this instead of the index calculator. And here, let's look at this. 1 second. So what was the price? 395. 395 is the open. 395 is the open, and the average trading price is around 14 rupees. Okay, so above 401 we have to only look at buy. Okay, selling is only below 391. So the target 1 and 2 is almost, it is done. The next target is 413. Okay, so it needs to now hold 408 if it has to go towards 413. Let's say, I think there will be some amount of either it will go right now to 413, or it may come here and then go there. So we need to see what is going to do. If anybody wants to look at this, see, this is momentum trade. We need momentum here. As long as momentum is there, everything is great. Or else if it comes retest either 403, I think that will be the best possible time. Or else here immediately entry has to be done and exit also has to be done. Here it's already moved up 5%. So it is going to be a little risky, but it is definitely in a momentum at this point of time. Okay, look at this. Both the indices have actually started coming down. Okay, 1 second. Now what I had told you, below 73 is a sell. It has come below 73 if you see here. So I'll be interested to buy if it is somewhere around. So let's go back to the indices. So 18,025 is something which we can probably see here. And for Bank Nifty, one second. What is the open price? 42,827. 42,827. Okay. So 42,771 is done. 42,716 is done. 41. Okay, almost everything is done here. So maybe see somewhere around this 42,500. As long as we hold 42,500, market is on the upside. Okay. Let's see if it is going to take any support here. And if Nifty also takes support here, I am more interested in buying. I'll not look at selling today. Okay. See, now if it starts trading again above the high, it is going to be a buy move. So let me start looking at the options. It needs to hold here, or else it may actually come down. Let's see. Okay, let's see what's happening in the other things. Currently, I will just wait. So this is a very important trend line. Okay, it needs to come and take support here. So let's see. So from our GAN calculator, if you see all these targets are done. So if it continues to go below this, then it is going to become negative. So let's see. See, 18,000 is a very strong, important number, psychological number. And 42,500 is going to be a very strong for Bank Nifty also. So if it is going to take support here, I'm more. So if you look at this, Nifty has almost done the target there. Look at this. Where is that? 42,025, sorry, 18,025. So 18,026.7 is the low made. So let's see if it is going to sustain these levels. From here, market start actually moving up, because see, currently there is a lot of actually stocks which are on the upside. So either everything has to come actually into correction mode, else we have to definitely get a bounce. So let's see. If we go below 18,000, then it is negative. Below 18,000 is negative for the market. And below 42,500, it is negative for this also. So let's see if it is going to hold here or not. If it holds, I'll be interested. Let us see what is happening with the options now. So if you look at the overall thing, it went up from 134. So almost 130 points done. So most of the range for today is done in Nifty 919. So almost 400 points done here. So I am actually going to be on the buy side here. I am buying here. Today's day low is going to be my stop loss, guys. Day low is my stop loss. So if you see here, the targets are done in Nifty, Bank Nifty for the sell side. Now on the upside, since actually the entire market is up, so market currently is buy on dip only. As long as 18,000 is going to be holding, then there's no point in looking at shorting. Shorting is going to be very dangerous right now. So shorting, or already the targets are done according to me. Okay. So that is the reason you have to be very fast, especially during this first 15 minutes. Now, if market is going to hold 18,000, 18,030, then the market is on the upside for Nifty. And if it holds 42,500 for Bank Nifty, then market is on the upside. So we have done something like a, see today, if we are able to sustain beyond day's high, then the possibility is we will see some further upside. If we fail here, if market is unable to hold these levels, then the market is down. Okay, market is somehow not ready to hold. Let's wait. Okay, I have added my stop loss. If it triggers, I'm out of the trade. See, currently it is somewhere around this 18,000 level, and both of them are actually at the lower end of the range where possibility of a support being taken, support to take is there. If it fails, then the market may actually get into a corrective mode. See, for us, a confirmation is we need to trade above this. We need to trade above 42,827, and we need to trade above what 18,089. These are very important. Now, if we have to look at that reversal angle, then the most important thing as per our GAN calculator, we need to start trading above this 18,025. That is very important. And for Bank Nifty, we need to trade above 42,771, or at least this is the first level. Where is this? We are at this level, right? Yeah, at least above this level. Let's look at what are the different things we got. Okay. Yeah, I need 565 is required. We need at least the 565. Okay. Yeah, it looks like it has taken support. It has not actually hit my stop loss. It has not hit my stop loss. Okay, great. On the option front, now whoever wants to look at it, 18,000 call and 42,500 call is what you can probably look at. This is not an advice. This is as per the GAN calculator, what I am actually showing you the levels. And at this point of time, it's very essential that the stop loss is going to be today's low on that particular option. Okay. So if it hits, you have to compulsorily exit. There's no choice. The most important condition for us taking this trade is these are psychologically important levels, 18,000 and 42,500. And this is being the monthly expiry. The possibility is very high that at least once we will test 43,200 on Bank Nifty, and for Nifty 18,200 250, because these are the places where there is a lot of people who have their long positions, so they have to go there and then they can actually unwind their positions. They have to take the market there. So that is the most important thing. So from that angle, I'll be more interested to be on the long side for today. And if you see, it went up, did few targets, came down, did few, actually did one target for Nifty, and majority of the target of Bank Nifty was done. Let's From the Nifty angle, if you see, it did not go till this. Okay, 17,961. And look at the bounce. Look at the bounce. Okay. Look at the bounce. Okay. Now any dip which is going to come probably is going to be more likely to be on the for today, most likely we will be on the buy side only like yesterday. Okay. So let's look at some of the stocks. We did this in Balrampur Chini, and I think, yeah, there is a dip. Okay. For now, 2.285 has come. Okay. Now, what actually could be done is, where is the stock calculator? See, look at this. Is the 395 and 14. This is what we had added, right? See, look at this. See, above 303, we can look at buy. It's already there, and you can see it's already gone to 404. Okay, 401 will be your stop loss. So there is around 2 rupees stop loss. If you are okay with that stop loss, we can again see the retesting of 408. And if it continues to hold 408, then you can go towards 413. So it can move higher as per how actually things will work. Okay. It's all very important that it needs to take the support here. If it is not taking support here, no point in actually taking this trade. See, it has to continue to see this red candle needs to complete. Let's wait for this candle to complete, and then we will have to ensure that it has to start trading above 403.3. Okay, it has to take support here. Then only we can look at that buy. Okay. Another one is PNB. Let us look at PNB levels also. Just taking two stocks to show you how powerful this is working. And let's look at this. 54.6. 54.6. And the range we have to take is around 3 rupees. Average trading range is 3 rupees. So above 57 is buy. See, if it is 53, then actually is a sell. Currently, what is the low? 53.55. Okay. So what I have to do is now I have to change this a little bit. Otherwise, we will not have. Okay, it is not getting there. Okay. Now the most important thing is above 53, we can look at buy. Okay. Most important here, what happens here is the levels which I'm actually sharing here, these are very important numbers. See, if it is trading below 53, it is going to go down only. Okay. Then, so from that angle, because this 55 is too higher for us, and there we will not get, and you can see that reversal kind of entry we have been seeing in the Nifty and Bank Nifty. Something very similar may happen here also. Okay. Somehow again, there is some amount of pressure which is there. So it will take some time. Let it take time. As long as we need to hold for 18,000 on Nifty and 42,500 on Bank Nifty. Only then actually it is on the buy side. So strictly, since I have taken the trade before that has triggered, so very important is having the stop loss. Stop loss should not get triggered. Very important. Let's see. As of now, stop loss has not triggered. Hopefully it is going to hold. Let us see. See, if we have to wait for the Gann calculator, we have to wait for this to cross 18,089. Okay. Then only the calculator is saying on the buy side. Even here. Okay, somehow it is trying to hold. So let's see. And where were we? We were at that Punjab National Bank. Here also it needs to hold. See, the entire structure is like this. The entire thing is trying to hold on. Let us see. So it's very important that the market holds on here. Then upside is possible. Else actually market may actually go ahead in the sell side. So for us, this trend line above is very important. So above this only buy can come. Otherwise, actually sell is quite possible. For PNB and all to work, Bank Nifty has to take support here. Okay. Stop loss is triggered. That means that the market is going on the downside only. Market is unlikely to stay up if we are not holding this. So no point in actually going against the market right now. Okay, let's see how things are actually shaping up here. The bears are again trying on their attack. So in that case, actually, market is going to be on the sell side only. So any up move we get probably will trigger this sell side only. It is not ready to hold on to this. So it is best for us to be on the sell side only. Okay. So the next target for us for Nifty is 17,961. If we stay below 17,961, then we can expect market to go to 791 also, 841 also. All these things are possible. There's one possibility it can take support here, but somehow things are not actually looking great. So it's better that we avoid buy trade. Let's see here. Okay, so the advanced declines it's not like what it was yesterday. It is actually completely on the other side. Okay, huge fall. It was some 12. From there, it has come to 2. It's a huge fall. Okay, so and VIX has also started moving up. So I am not like it's unlikely that the market See, market may actually give some bounce, but unlike yesterday, market is likely to go on the negative side. See, as long as we stay below 18,000 and below 42,500, market is on the negative side only. And if you see, the calculator has clearly given us that from the calculator wise, we are on the sell side. See, below 18,073 and below 42,813, we are most likely on the sell side only. So only possibility was yesterday, since it gave a big move, I was actually expecting that it will hold 18,000, but it has failed. Even the Bank Nifty has failed at 42,500. So there will be some bounce, okay? And these bounce are unlikely to hold. See, there is a possibility we may again come up and try to test on the upside. But here what will happen is it will get into a sell side here. That is very clearly seen here with the kind of sell-off which has come. Okay. So unlike yesterday where market was one-sided upside, today market is going to be probably more on the downside. Okay. So if you have any questions, you can shoot your messages. I will be able to answer this. Okay. Okay, please like this video, subscribe the channel, and help me to gain more subscribers. So then I will be able to do this more often. And I am on a holiday for the next few days. So I may not be live from coming days after a few days. Okay. That is starting from this Wednesday onwards, I may not be live. I'll be live only after 2nd or 3rd. Okay. So 1 week I may not be working. So you may see some sudden bounces and all. That bounces may not actually hold. So you can mark these levels. Okay, for Nifty, the level is 17,961, 17,901, 17,841, 17,785, 17,729. So these are the levels which we can probably expect in Nifty. And for Bank Nifty, already most of the targets were done. So from that perspective, it has all the potential now to go towards the 42,000 level also. And Bank Nifty is quite weak. If you see, so Bank Nifty is very weak. Okay, guys, I will make a move because market is probably going to be a little sideways right now. And it may break down on the negative side only because it is not actually, it is unable to hold on to the upside. So since it is unable to hold on to the upside, then the potential is very high. It will stay on the negative side only. Okay. Thank you very much. See you tomorrow. Bye-bye.